On today's video, we are going to be learning how to remove trips which has been expired for booking. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. WP Travel plugin provides the feature regarding expiring and deleting of the trips whose days has been passed away for booking of a trip. Before using this feature, you need to add a trip, so please refer to one of our previous video to know how to create a new trip. Please follow this step-by-step guide to remove the trips which has been expired. To remove the trips whose days have been expired for booking from the trip section in the back end as well from the front end section, you can simply enable expired trip option by going to WP Travel and settings, and from there head over to this trips tab, and here you'll be able to see that enable expired trip option is currently disabled. So make sure you enable it, and after enabling the option you will find a drop down where you can choose the option either expired or delete, so that you can set the trips whose days have been expired to the delete section or expired section. Now here, if you choose the expired option, the trips whose date has passed away will listed under the expired section, and if you select the delete option, the trips whose date have been passed away will be listed under the trash section. Trip listed under the trash section and expired section can be edited by changing the date and publishing it again, and then it will be available for booking. To restore the trip listed under the trash section, simply click on this restore option. You can see when you click on restore, a draft option just appears from where you can simply edit the trip. And now to publish the trip under the expired section, you simply need to click on the title. From here you can just scroll a little bit down and click on prices and dates, and from here you can just adjust the date as per your liking. So that's how you edit your trips in the expired section. That was it for this video, and hope you learned something new, and if you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with your friends. Until next time, peace.